Alright, I'm gonna go over the vertex formula method. I forgot to put D here. Can you please add D in your note? I'm gonna use the vertex formula method again. Did I forget D everywhere? No, it's just this one. Huh. To write a function in f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k form, also known as vertex form. I want to introduce you to two different methods in this class. The one that I prefer is the vertex formula method, because if you want to find the vertex form, it makes sense to find the vertex and then we can just plug them in. Another method is completing the square, which I will show you in another video. So in order for you to do this, you need to identify three unknowns: A, H, and K. So A is something that you can just read straight from the given equation. A is the leading coefficient, so A is 2. I need to find H, and I need to find K. Now remember, H is the x-coordinate of vertex, and K is the y-coordinate of vertex. So what you need to do is find the vertex. All right, I'm going to find the x-coordinate first. X-coordinate of the vertex, you can find that by using the vertex formula. Okay, so that's why I call this vertex formula method. If you do negative b over 2a. Now I know what a is, but what is b? B is negative 8. So let's plug in these two numbers, b of negative 8, a of 2, into this vertex formula. I have to do negative b, so negative 8. The opposite of negative 8 is positive 8, divided by 2 times 2. If I simplify that, I will get the x-coordinate of the vertex is 2, which means h value is 2. Now we need to go find the y-coordinate of the vertex, and in order to do that, you have to just plug in that x value into the original function. And this is the part I will get a scientific calculator and just type in. Alright, there's no scientific calculator. I will do 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 9. That comes out to be 1. So the y-coordinate of the vertex is 1, which means k is 1. And we have all the puzzle pieces to plug into the vertex form. All right, so let's write our final answer. So f of x equals, first of all, what is a? A is 2. So write down 2, and then do x minus h. I need to do h. What is h? H is 2. So do x minus 2 in this parenthesis, you square it. And outside I need to do plus k. We know k is, what was k? K is the y-coordinate of the vertex, which is 1. So my final answer is this right here. So if you can just find a, h, and k are just vertex of that parabola, you can simply plug in a, h, and k into the vertex form to do this, okay? Which I think this is an easier method, but well, I'll come back and show you the other one soon. But in this video, let me do one more with this 7x squared minus 14x minus 56. As you know, that I need to find a, h, and k. A is 7. That one we don't really have to do any work to identify. We just have to find that leading coefficient. But remember, h and k are the x and y coordinate of the vertex. Okay, so h is the x coordinate of vertex, and k is the y coordinate of vertex. So it makes sense for us to find those vertex. So let's find the x coordinate. X coordinate is negative b over 2a. All right, what is a and what is b? A is 7, b is negative 14, right? A is 7, b is negative 14. So if I plug those into this vertex formula, opposite of b will be positive 14, divided by 2 times 7 will give me 14 divided by 14, which is just 1. we found out that h is equal to 1. Now let's find the k value, the y coordinate of the vertex, by plugging in this x value into the function. Y is 7 times 1 squared minus 14 times 1 minus 56. Alright, simple plugging in. I can just go ahead and use the calculator. I do 7 times 1 squared minus 14 times 1 minus 56. And that comes out to be negative 64 of 63. Negative 63. So we found everything that we need to write our equation in the vertex form. Vertex form is f of x equals 8 times x minus h squared plus k. So you have to plug in a, h, and k in there. A is 7, h is 1, and k is negative 63. So our final answer is f of x equals 7 times x minus 1 squared minus 63. Now, I did it really quick, so I don't know if I missed anything. So what I will do is another separate video. I will come back and do the same problems all over again using a different method, and we will see if the answers are matching. Okay?